Hello, dear future homeowners. Celine here, licensed real estate broker. Join me as I show you the house construction update of my USA-based client here in Madonna Residences, located in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So, 85 to 90% complete na po yung bahay ng aking client, though nagdagdag siya ng dirty kitchen enclosure. So, gagawin din muna yon. So, hopefully, makapag-turnover tayo on time. And remind ko na lang din po kayo na kokonti na lang po ang units natin in Madonna. Tara po at mag-tripping na po tayo sa Madonna. And update lang din po, sinisimula na po ang ating amenity area. So meron po tayong clubhouse, swimming pool, basketball court, parks and playgrounds, jogging pathway, and also yung main gate po natin is ginagawa na rin. So nasisimulan na rin po siya. So I'll be showing you the Julieta Model House. So, fully furnished turnover po tayo dito, meaning with appliances na po and furnitures sa ating house and lot package. So, ang hindi lang po kasama is yung mga mattress natin sa mga bedrooms and also yung mga personal decors and carpets ang hindi po kasali. So, ayun po, if interested po kayo, just message us so we can assist you better. And if may questions po kayo or you need sample computations, just message us para po maibigay namin sa inyo. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you, dear future homeowners. See you soon.